Hello everyone. So after a short break, we are again back here with a new topic to discuss upon. Because now it is like the things are getting a bit normal now, and being the optimistic one and being at the positive side. Let's consider that now we need again a boost up to continue our work, which we are continuously having going on, and with this hope to consider everything positive, and with that being the optimistic person, let's start having a discussion on a new topic, which is interview skills, on which we would be having so many things to discuss upon. A fresh start is needed for all of us to start the new things now, because now the things are getting back to normal, and we also need to get a boost and a fresh start to continue the further process. So, yeah, let's discuss something about interview skills. Okay, so now let's focus some more light on what exactly the interview skills are. In a layman language, if I would like to say, an interview is a process in which one person is there who wants to get a job and another person is there who wants to give a job. So, if I form a statement with this, I can say that when we have an employee who wants to get a job from a particular organization, he's applying or she is applying for that job, one person is there who would interview and then finalize the things. So in a particular format, I can say interview is a process in which a potential employee is getting evaluated by an employer for his or her organization or firm or the company in which that person wants to get a job. So it is the benefit of both, that one person wants to get a job, another person wants to get that person for that particular job. So this is what the definition of interview is. Very simple. Both have certain benefits because of which they are having this process going on. Now, what preparations are required, what type of dressing is required, what type of body language is required, everything we would be discussing. Now, considering the preparation phase. Now, what exactly the preparation for the interview is all about? First, research the company. Now, the first point in preparation is research. How you can research the company related process? The best answer to that is go through the company's website. Now, when you're applying for a specific company for a specific job related purpose, you need to definitely understand what and how the company is working. Now, the thing how you would get to know is through the company's website. Go through the website of that company. Say for example, XYZ company you're applying for, go to that company's website and understand that what type of work the company is doing, what all roles they are offering, and what all things you can do over there in that company. So first, very much and foremost important thing for this particular organization's interview is understanding the organization through the website. Second very important thing is read your resume. Now, we have already shared and prepared a video on resume writing, which is showcased right now on your screen. Go through that particular video so that you can understand that how to prepare your resume. Now, understand the achievements that you have. So the third point after rereading the resume is your achievements. It is very much important because see, it is like a full plate of food which you are offering to the employer, and he would be asking only questions related to the food which you are serving. Okay, so whatever your resume is, whatever your achievements are, you are having all that plate served to that particular person, and he would be having the food from that only. So prepare your resume and achievements based on what you know, not the baseless things which people nowadays are putting, but put the things which you know very well. Okay, only the things which you know really well. Okay, so that is the third point, achievements. Now what you can put in achievements and what type of preparations you can do. First thing, understand and give the examples. For example, if I have a particular task which I did in my previous job or in my college time, I can put that I was the leader of my team, or I was the lead in the marketing or technical team, where I have put this much of efforts to get the work done, and you get the example to support that particular statement which you have shared. So that is the very much important thing which you need to understand in your achievement part. Then very important next thing is check yourself in a full length mirror. Why is it important? Because we all have a specific image already created in our mind in which we know already how a person should look like when he or she is going for the interview. You already know the process. You wear the clothes, stand in front of the mirror, and understand that, okay, according to your imagination, whether this particular person, which is you, is good to go for the interview or not. You will understand by yourself. The next is dressing. Very much important. We have already shared and prepared a video on how to dress, that is grooming and personality development. You can see that link on your screen. Definitely go visit that video so that you can understand what type of dressing skills are needed, what type of things you need to work, what type of things you need to prepare for, and how you can represent yourself from outside. Next, very, very, very important thing is arriving on time. Now, why it is important? First thing, see, I have this particular statement which I generally use in all the sessions which we are into. That, see, first thing, if you are on time, that means you are late. If you are before time, that means you are on time. And if you are late, that means you are dead. So now with this statement, you definitely can understand that is on time is late, before time is on time, and late is dead. So please understand the meaning and the importance of arriving on time. Very important. Next thing is body language. Now, when you are there going for an interview process, the person who is there in front of you, that is the employer or the interviewer, is having a specific mindset of his own, that what type of person he or she needs. Okay, so when you are there at your place where you are having the interview going on, because nowadays we have a lot many type of interviews going on, I'll definitely put certain briefings about what type of interviews nowadays we are facing. But considering the body language, how you sit, you can see a picture that how you can sit when you are there in the interview. Your handshake, a firm handshake in which please take care about this thing that you are, because see, nowadays it is like you need not to touch anything, everything is going online. But when the things were normal, when you are having an offline interview, handshake is a very firm gesture, very positive gesture, considered as a formal gesture in this type of interviews, which is very much necessary. So these type of things are very much important. How you smile, how you look at the employer or the interviewer, how you understand, how you react, what type of eye movement you are providing, what type of facial gestures you have, everything matters. So it is not about rocket science, but it is about understanding a normal behavior by which you can face the interviewer. So please understand the gestures and postures which you are using must be not so much erected, not so much low, but in a mediocre format. The next is communication. See, it depends on which type of interview you are applying for or going for. So this communication is somehow very important, because when you are having a normal conversation going on formally, because interviews are somehow like formal interviews, so in that you need to understand what type of language to use, how to deliver that. So a firm normal language by which you can understand what you are speaking and the other person can understand what you are speaking. That is what the thing which we need. Not so much of big words or very clumsy words, not at all needed. Language must be clear so that the other person can understand what things you are speaking, and you can understand, okay, that this is what the thing I would like to represent. So that is what all about communication. And yes, very important, we all face this particular situation in which we feel that we are having nervousness. Now, what nervousness is all about? It is all about the feeling when you are having a rush of adrenaline in your body and you feel that, okay, I can't do it. Why? The reason is you are only nervous. How you can overcome that? First thing, see, every feeling is something which as a human being you need to explore and understand. So this is a feeling in which you understand that how to prepare and represent yourself in front of someone else whom you don't know, and you are meeting for the first time to that guy or a girl, whatever. So that is the first thing, that understand that feeling, feel it, because see, that is very much important. We are here to experience the stuff, otherwise the life is of no use. So if you experience this thing, that okay, This adrenaline rush is very much important. You understand it, feel it, and just do important thing that don't put those particular feelings outside. You need to be very much calm and clear about what you are coming here for, because see, जितना आपको जॉब चाहिए उतना सामने वाले को भी जॉब देना है. Okay, so you both have certain benefits because of which this process is happening. So no need to get nervous. The other person who is there in front of you is not an evil guy. He is a normal human being. You are also a normal human being. Understand this process and put your best of what you can. So this is what all about the interview skill is. Just go through the briefing of what exactly the points we have covered. First, the definition which we have covered, that is the relation between an employee and employer, or the interviewee and interviewer. Second is the preparation, understanding the company, researching the company, achievements which you need to put, rereading your resume, which is very much important, putting the mirror in front of you and understanding that how you look in that mirror. Then your dressing, for which I have put the link through which you can definitely understand what and the type of dressing which you need to have. Then time, arriving on time. Then the body language, how to sit, how to shake hand, how to represent yourself, and how to answer. The communication and the nervousness which you need to deal with. So please prepare on all these things, and we would like to say a very all the best to all of you. And let's see that with this, I would like to see you all growing together and understanding the interview skills and the life skills as well. Thank you very much. We'll be coming back soon with another video. And pardon, because we are coming after a short break with the new video which we did right now. So thank you very much. Let's hope for the best. Bye-bye.